Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise based on industries. So first of all, I will tell you about the answer of D part, answer in detail. First is given, state the need for the industries in the world. So need for industries in the world is like this. First point, it increases economic growth of the country. Second point, it provides high living standard. And third point, it gives employment. Fourth point, utilization of natural resources, either agricultural or mineral, and for security purpose. For country's safety, security, industrialization are necessary. So this I have told you answer first. This is given on page number 53. If you see, you can see. And question number 2 given, state the factors responsible for the establishment of industries. So for this again you see the page number 53. There are two factors, geographical and non-geographical. So all you write first this, then afterward you explain one or two factors. So for example, raw material. Raw material, most of the industries are located near the source of raw material. Example, steel plant, Jamshedpur. Second is energy. Most of the industries are located near the source of energy, power. Third point you explain, water. Most of the industries are situated near the source of water because water is very necessary for the industries. So this I have told you second question of the D section. And the third question, if you see, third question, differentiate between agro-based and animal-based industries. So for this, you come on page number 53. 53 agro-based industry given and backside animal-based industry given. Okay. So animal-based industry, agro-based industry, you write and give one example. This is the difference. First you write definition and second difference is example. And now answer in brief. Part C. What are called agro-based industry? Once again repetition. Page number 53 is given. This group of industries depends on raw material produced by agricultural sector. This is called agro-based industry. Second question is given, which industry is called light industry? So for light industry, page number 54 it is given. This industry produce goods which are light in weight. They are called light industries. Example also you can give. Mention two types of pollution caused by industries. So two types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, and two remedial measures to adopt to check the air pollution is here on last page. See page number 61. Air treatment plant should be installed. Obsolete machinery should be replaced. Any two you can write from there. And remaining question will be given afterward. Write this in copy. Have a good day. Thank you.